Minexa.ai handles the entire extraction workflow automatically, making it easy to scrape environmental datasets with precision and speed from any complex website. Navigate to the openai.org page with the environmental datasets you want. Minexa reads the fully rendered page and prepares it for extraction. Open the Minexa extension now. This is where you can start extracting environmental data from any web page in seconds. Press the button labeled "I'm on the right page" so Minexa can analyze how this page loads and detect the environmental datasets to extract. Every result across all pages will be captured automatically. Minexa detects the navigation and handles pagination without any extra work from you. Decide if you want to scrape just the page results, or click into each row for more detailed environmental data listings. Click Continue when no extra interaction is needed, or switch to Advanced mode if your data requires clicks or filters first. Minexa has automatically highlighted the data section for you. If this looks correct, just click Create Scraper to let it analyze and detect all data points in minutes. Here are all the detected columns like dataset titles, descriptions, resource types, and links. Select those you need. They will remain consistent across every extraction run. Developers can click the API request button to get ready to run Python code for scraping this exact data, with scraper ID and request details filled in automatically. Validate your setup and click Complete Configuration to save your scraper and continue to the next step. Minexa detected the Next Page button automatically, so pagination runs smoothly. If there's no pagination, just continue to the next step. Review and validate your scraping job here. You can also link Google Sheets so your results update automatically after every run. The final step is to press Run. Minexa supports running on single pages or batches with the same configuration for fast, scalable data extraction. This dataset was produced by a saved scraper in your account. It includes key fields like dataset titles, descriptions, resource types, and URLs. You can rerun this scraper anytime via the extension or API on as many URLs as needed, without retraining, ensuring reliable and consistent environmental data extraction. Export your data easily. Each run creates an updated snapshot with consistent structure and column names for seamless analysis. Start with Minexa.ai and turn any website into an automatically updating dataset without manual reruns or intervention.